Life is a long journey, from one stop to the next, and finally to the destination. There will be obstacles with thick stones, hills, slopes and separations. And we will be ready. Let the road be long. We will choose the durability. Let there be challenging conditions. We will choose the strength. No matter how complicated it is, we will choose the quality. This creation of fortune favored those who are ready. Hammer Winch. Quality, strength, durability. Hammer industry, which was founded in 1982 in a modest workshop in Ankara under the name ALTINÇEKİÇ, continues its efforts to become a world brand in the winch sector today. Our company, which has adopted the principles of producing technology and being among the best in its sector since its establishment, made the hydraulic rope drum ready for production in 2003 for the first time in the country and started mass production of rope drum under the brand of Hammer Winch. Hammer Winch produces domestically in the largest complex of its sector and proves its success internationally, besides its local success by exporting its rope drums to many countries in all the 7 continents, thanks to its world-class production understanding and innovative vision. Hammer Winch constantly improves the effectiveness of its quality management system and tests its products under the most demanding conditions and takes part in many strategic and military projects in the world, especially in the commercial sector. Hammer Winch can offer optional features on its production of rope drums in special projects and in line with the demands of its customer. The company can offer double-speed rope drums in some product groups, and also can offer products in IP67 and IP68 standards, which can operate in between -32 and 50 degrees environmental conditions with 1000 hours corrosion resistance. It aims to add value to its brand in this field by using all the possibilities of modern technology by making use of domestic and foreign resources with its wide technological infrastructure. Moving forward with the goal of becoming a world brand in its sector, Hammer Winch also certifies its quality with its production and quality certificates in international standards, and also offers after-sales services and spare parts availability guarantee. Hammer Winch, which creates the product series with standards of EN 14492-1 and J706 with the capacity up to 3 tons, can design and develop specific products accordingly to the customer and the project, and to requests and demands of its customer. Giving great importance to innovation, Hammer Winch constantly expands its studies of research and development, research and product development, and therefore always improves its products' qualities like weight, design, installation, and durability. Always in line with human and environmental health, Hammer Winch stimulates its products with approved programs and optimizes them with endurance analysis. Therefore, the rope drums produced by Hammer Winch contributes to the performance and productivity of your business even in the most difficult conditions. Hammer Winch aims to develop long-term relationship in its sector with marketing principles based on responsibility and solution-centered communication. It is the common motivation of each of our employees to satisfy our customer. Hammer Winch will continue to serve the best quality with its experienced staff and trustworthy image. Hammer Winch. Quality, strength, durability.